Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open Capcut and import your media. You must be on the latest app for best AI. Select the clip in the timeline, then go straight to Effects or the dedicated Remove Background tool. You do this because the tool analyzes pixels and motion, so choose a clear clip for more accurate masks. Once selected, choose the AI Remove Background option or Background Eraser, Set Quality, or Edge Smoothing. This starts the automated mask. Let it process a few seconds while you prepare the next steps. Now refine the automatic mask. Play the clip and scrub through problem frames to find edge errors. Use the mask brush for manual touch-ups or switch to frame-by-frame correction when movement causes flicker. Adjust strength to reduce leftover artifacts, feather to smooth borders, and edge contrast to regain sharpness where needed. Make sure to preview against a plain background layer or color to spot haloing. Once done, apply motion tracking if your subject moves to keep the mask aligned. Finalize by exporting with the proper settings. Use an alpha channel export or select a transparent background if you plan to composite later. If you see artifacts after export, rerun Remove Background at a higher quality or re-edit only the troublesome segment. Sometimes shorter clips mask more accurately. If the AI fails on busy backgrounds, switch to green screen replacement or perform manual rotoscoping with the mask brush. One quick tip: try a quick blur on the background layer to hide subtle edge noise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.